Okay, so we're going to go into our bodies. Let's feel the crown of our head and relax the crown of our head. Relax your forehead, back of your head, your eyes. Let them rest. Your cheeks, your jaw, getting more and more relaxed and loose with every breath. Making your way to your neck, loosening your neck, your shoulders. Might have to move them around maybe a few times. Releasing any tension in the upper back. Your chest, your lower back, your stomach and digestive system, your left arm, letting it hang loose, and your right arm. Feeling a release in your pelvic floor, your thighs, the left leg going all the way down the leg, and your right leg. I'm feeling the energy at the soles of your feet. Maybe you feel some tingling. Placing all of your awareness now on the soles of your feet. And seeing that energy at the soles of your feet extend down, down deep into the earth, grounding down to the roots. And feeling yourself become more and more grounded and connected to the earth. And at the same time, placing your attention on the crown of your head again. And feeling an opening here, allowing for light energy to funnel in through the crown. Maybe it's a white or yellowish light, connecting you to source, connecting you now to your higher self, and funneling in through your body and grounding down into the earth. Now, as you're feeling relaxed and getting more and more relaxed with each breath, I want you to think of a goal and even feel the goal in your heart for the new year, something that you'd really like to see happen in your life. It could be physical, health related, something emotional, something material with relationships, finances, jobs. It could be a spiritual goal, feeling more joy, more patience, whatever it is. Feel it arise now in the heart. Even if it's something you've tried for years and years, doesn't matter. Feel whatever goal that wants to be worked on right now. And sinking deeper, deeper into the surface of whatever you're sitting on. and feeling that connection in the crown. Now, I want you to think of this goal and where you are now with this goal. What are the feelings, emotions, thoughts coming up for you as you bring this goal to mind? Maybe there's some resistance or doubts, fears. Maybe there is excitement, nervousness, or confusion. Whatever it is, bringing that now into your mind's eye. And if it feels stuck, imagining yourself in your mind's eye in an imaginary place, like in your subconscious. Does the stuck or whatever the feelings are, do they produce any kind of image? Like maybe you're feeling there's a wall that you're hitting up against. Maybe you're feeling like you're in quicksand or you're trapped or you're running or you're floating or whatever that is. If something comes up, let whatever image and trust that that is true for you. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a path in front of you. What does this path look like? This is the path to your goal and to having what you want, experiencing what you want. Maybe there are some obstacles in this path. Maybe there are some people there. Notice what comes up and notice what the path is made of as you're walking. You're going to start to take steps forward along this path. And as you do, imagine that whatever negative feelings or thoughts or doubts or anything that you want to let go of now regarding this goal is just slipping away down through your feet and into the earth and just being swallowed up into the earth. So as you take a step, imagine whatever it is that's holding you back now, washing away, falling away, just as easy as it is to take a breath, to take a step. And maybe you're not able to get all of the negative things off or all of the blocks, and that's okay. Whatever it feels safe right now. And as you're walking forward and releasing, you notice a light in the distance and a door appears. Now you're coming closer to this door and you can see, is it big? Is it small? What is the door made of? Is there anything surrounding the door? Are there any birds or creatures or any angels or any supernatural things that are here to assist you now and that have been always assisting you? Notice whatever images are coming up and just mentally say yes to whatever images as they reveal the next image and the next. And now, starting to open this door, however it opens, imagining it opening. And this is the door, the pathway to whatever goal that you want to accomplish, whatever you want to see happen in your life. It's on the other side of this door. So as you start to open this door, and before we make our way through, mentally acknowledging that we're letting go of anything else that no longer needs to be here, that no longer serves me, that is no longer compatible with this goal, and is safe to release and safe to leave behind on the other side. And slowly opening this door. And we're going to take a nice big step through the door, or however you want to get through the door. Maybe you want to fly through the door. And now making your way through that door, closing it behind you, and taking a step into this new reality. And in your mind's eye, looking around, what is around you? What do you see? You've already accomplished the thing that you wanted. It's already happened. Can you feel yourself with that thing now? Feel yourself having accomplished it. Are there any people around you to celebrate with you? Any other things around? What are you doing in this space now? How are you behaving? What are some of your thoughts? How do you feel? Noticing what you're wearing. You could be really expansive here. Now noticing if there's anything there for you to receive. Perhaps there are helpers, guides here for you that want to give you something as a token of your accomplishment or more help on your journey. And receiving that gift now in your mind's eye, in this new reality, letting that gift appear. Perhaps it's just a word or a gesture or an image or a physical thing. And if nothing comes up, that's totally fine. Just basking in this place right now and seeing what else, taking a few more moments to explore this space, explore yourself. What would I do now? What can I do now that I've already accomplished this? And taking this feeling with you now into your heart, into your mind, knowing that it's always there for you. And whatever images you received are always there to revisit whenever you're feeling stuck or you need some encouragement. And right now, thanking yourself, thanking whoever's helped you on this path, thanking Hashem, taking a moment to tap into that gratitude for having already succeeded, having already been given what you're wanting to receive. And taking one more moment here. And there's any other sights or sounds, smells, and when you're ready, coming back to your physical body now, noticing yourself still grounded, still connected to the earth, the source. And slowly making our way back to this space here